Because did you know a Birkin bag only costs $11,000? Just $11,000. You may have heard wild stories about people spending anywhere from $25,000 to $450,000, but those are always resold or custom or super rare Birkins, like Kim K's $150,000 Himalayan Birkin. That's actually real crocodile skin. But just for a basic Birkin straight from Hermes, $11,000. So what gives? Why are people paying 10x what the bag actually costs from resellers? Because it's not the price of a Birkin that makes it luxurious, it's the process of getting one. The very elusive process. Hermes doesn't actually sell the Birkin in stores or online. You can only buy it directly through a sales associate. So the journey of getting your hands on a real Birkin bag from Hermes is actually pretty intricate. It involves cultivating this relationship with a sales associate and buying multiple things from them until they actually offer you a bag. Because, fun fact, they don't make any commission on bags. So they have no real incentive to sell you one until you've spent a lot of money buying other things with them that they do get commission on. Makes sense, I ain't mad, get your money. But in other words, they maintain this air and reputation of luxury through exclusivity and making their customers demonstrate brand loyalty first before they get the thing that they really want, right? Which is the bag, the Birkin, or the Kelly. Now, I want you to adopt that same mindset around your body. Yeah, too many of us girls place no value whatsoever on our body or giving it away. Yet, when we give it away recklessly, we all know how shitty that feels, right? So why do we spend our time swiping on the apps, hooking up with people that don't care about us or even really know us? Because at your core, you feel worthless and you are thinking with a scarcity mindset. You think, even though this guy isn't anything that I want, just the fact that he wants me and I don't know when someone else is gonna want me again, I'm just gonna go with it. And I'm sure even just my suggestion that having sex with you would be of equal value to a Birkin bag made you roll your eyes, right? You probably thought, my isn't worth a Birkin bag, right? Because your has never gotten you a Birkin bag, but that's because you've never demanded that it did. You have less discipline in protecting your body than sales associates making minimum wage do in protecting a handbag they're not even earning a commission on. Make no mistake, any successful man that you date is going to require you to be beautiful, right? So make him earn the luxury of your beauty by demonstrating his support and loyalty to you, the same way Hermes does. As a woman, you're a healer. You're a life giver. You bring beauty to the world just by existing in it. You are worth more than a freaking Birkin. A Birkin is nothing. It's a tchotchke. It's a leather bag of nothingness. You are a human being, a divine, powerful, feminine human being. There is no higher luxury than being with a beautiful, confident, competent woman. Remember who you are and move accordingly. If you need some help with that, check out the See a Method book at the top of my profile or the free glow up guide also at the top of my profile.